Welcome back to another episode of Korean Language Trends, where we learn about recently created Korean words. Today we're going to be talking about 탕진잼. Now this word is actually a bit older, but I'm featuring it here because it's only recently started to become more acceptable and common as a slang word. This word was first coined by a webtoon artist in a comic back in 2014. 탕진잼 is actually just a combination of two words, 탕진 and 잼. 탕진 is a regular word that means to waste or exhaust all of something, and it can be used when you're talking about spending all of your money. And 잼 is a common slang word that comes from 재미, meaning entertainment. So 탕진, spending, and 잼, entertainment, spending entertainment. This word is used to refer to, as you might guess, the enjoyment that you get from spending all of your money. But this word isn't only used when you're spending all of your money. Although that's literally what it means, it can also just be used whenever you're making any sort of small purchase for yourself that you otherwise wouldn't really need. For example, whenever you treat yourself to something. So now that you know where this word came from and what it means, here are a couple examples of how you can use it. 잘 모르는 곳으로 여행을 왔는데 예상보다 음식도 저렴하고 물건도 저렴해서 탕진잼이 폭발했다. I took a trip somewhere I didn't know well, but all the foods and things were cheaper than I expected, so I went crazy treating myself. 수제 액세서리를 모으기 시작했다. 주말마다 시장에서 탕진잼 만끽 중이다. I've started collecting handmade accessories, getting my fill by treating myself every weekend at the market. Are there any other new words you'd like to learn? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. And also remember that I upload new videos to this channel every week, so if you like what you see, click subscribe. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.